Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to install OAS binaries into the existing Weblogic middleware home. As you can see here, in the last video we installed the Fusion middleware infrastructure in this directory, C Oracle middleware Oracle home. In this video we'll start install the OAS binaries. We are here in the Java JDK directory. I will copy the OAS binaries path. Here's the clients. From here, copy Java -jar gr. Okay. Now right click paste slash. I will copy this .jar. Okay, and then press enter. This compressed file now extracting the installer. As you can see here, both Java binaries and Oracle infrastructure, we run it through Java JDK, Java Development Kit. Again, you can increase the playback rate to make the video faster. Checking is passed, are passed. Installer will open soon. It's opening now. Oracle Analytics installer. Okay, the first window is welcome page. Welcome to Oracle Analytics 6.4 installer. Next, we will skip auto update. Next. Now it will ask you where is Oracle home. Browse Oracle Fusion middleware home. See Oracle middleware Oracle home. Open. Press next. As you can see here, there is warning for operating system. The others are okay, passed. Next. Checking physical memory. Okay, done. Checking Java version used to launch the installer. As we mentioned, the minimum is 255. Our Java version is 311. Next. And here it will start the installation. Install. I have read and accept the license item. Install. It will install Microsoft Visual C++ 2010. Install. Finish. Install successfully. Install Microsoft Visual C++ 2013. I agree. Install. Setup successfully. Close. Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2019. All these are required for the installation. One almost issue. Cancel. Okay, as you can see here, the finished has been installed successfully into the existing Go project middleware home. You can either press next or finish. Next. Here it gives you message install on OA platform, installation location, Oracle Home, C Oracle middleware, Oracle Home. This is the log file. Finish. In the next video, I will show you how to create the required repository through RCU, or it's called repository creation utility. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lesson.